Let's unbox a gadget that my inner child has been waiting for, but something I really think that could also help streamers and content creators really set themselves apart in the near future. This handheld that has been turning heads is the ModRetro Chromatic. This is no ordinary retro gaming device. It is packed with features that are going to make it a perfect fit for content creators, streamers, and nostalgic gamers alike. Opening the box right on top to greet you is the star of the show, the ModRetro Chromatic, in this stunning exclusive GameStop colorway, covered in the magnesium alloy metallic finish with those black, red, and white accents. The screen is protected by a sapphire crystal screen, making it super scratch resistant. Whether you're gaming at home or throwing it in your bag, this display is absolutely a treat to be able to use. Now here's really where the ModRetro Chromatic really shines for creators, is the USB video out on the bottom. With a single cable, you can connect it to your PC or capture card and stream your gameplay in full clarity. Now the Chromatic is compatible with Game Boy Color games, as well as chromatic game cartridges. They give you access to an incredible existing library, but also ModRetro has committed to creating new games themselves, not only partnering with older games to remake, but as well creating a bunch of their own games, which they've committed right now to making a new game every single month for the foreseeable future. This package includes the ModRetro Tetris cartridge, as well as their own ModRetro branded AA batteries. Let's take a quick look at Tetris, which honestly feels great on these mechanical buttons. They really feel solid. And of course, let's pop in the cartridge of my childhood, the game that I've probably spent the most amount of hours on, Pokemon Yellow. That is the ModRetro Chromatic. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more content creator, streamer, gamer goodness and tech here on this channel. We'll see you in the next one.